my turn to talk. Hi everyone, my name is Janvern and I am 9 years old. I am a robotics student of JRT Robotics Series Petaling. Today, I am happy to present to you to my Level 2 robot project. My robot is an animal. I call it Sparky the Giraffe. I built and programmed my robot using the Robotits DREAM 2 Level 2 kit. This robot has 2 geared motors, a controller, and a lithium-ion battery, and many colorful parts. I designed my robot to look like a giraffe with a long neck, a big tummy, and Sparky walks on 4 legs. Sparky will walk forward when the IR sensor detects an object. It will move its neck to attack. This is just like the real young male giraffe. It will fight using its neck. After that, it will continue to move forward because I use the endless loop in my program. I love Sparky the Giraffe because it looks and behaves like a giraffe. I want to let everyone know more about this animal. In the future, I want to build a giant giraffe robot for the zoo. Thank you!